The right machine for every budget. Bestseller. Sliding table length 3,200 millimeters. Optional press equipment. 5.5 kilowatts main motor. 0.75 kilowatt scoring saw. Manual rise, fall, and tilt adjustment. Sliding table system that guaranteed ultra-smooth movements. High precision. High-quality cast iron table. Sliding table system is widely recognized as the superior choice for high-end sliders today. First-class manufacturing and finishing standards. Complete reliability in professional use. Massive construction that eliminate vibration. Sliding table is constructed of anodized aluminum.